The pet niche is crazy, such a great niche to be in. Now, what's even better is that people love their pets almost as much as they love each other and their kids. So this creates a huge opportunity if you're selling any sort of pet products, whether it's food, toys, functionality things like dog walking equipment, all that sort of stuff. So this is a great opportunity. So if you want to build your email list, your social following, build more engagement on social media, build the popularity of your product, it's really easy to do with pet products because you have amazing content, and why not use that to your advantage? So creating giveaways and contests where people submit their dog pictures, they submit dog videos, they tag friends in their dog videos or dog, I'm not gonna say just dogs, you can do cats too. But essentially you have this amazing advantage over any other niche. People love pet photos. That's always what's going viral. So use this with giveaways and contests to make a huge viral referral platform where you can get people to sign up, follow all your social, engage with your social, and upload user-generated content. User-generated content being their pet using your product, their pet in general, and they submit that content, and you take that content and then you can use it in your marketing strategies, you can use it in your ads, you can use it on your website, you can use it in your design for your emails and all that sort of stuff. So there's a lot of opportunity. So if you are in the pet industry, 100% think about giveaways and contests and using those to not only build your email list and social following, but collect user-generated content and drive email growth.